Hello. Your brother Simpson has sent me here to fix you up. I brought the car.
யாரு?
அண்ணா அனுப்புன ஆள் வந்தாச்சு. வாங்க புறப்படலாம்.
அதுக்குள்ளயா? எப்படி?
எப்படியோ வாங்களேன்.
ஓகே.
Should be around here somewhere. I really don't know. Look at the skyline. Most of New Yorkers don't like it, but I think it's great. It's a great day today, but it's really beautiful.
Mm-hmm. Is that the Empire State Building?
No, it's not there. It's over there.
By the way, you said Simpson will be here now.
Yeah, he's delayed. I don't know. Problem on the traffic, maybe. But look at the skyline.
Can I use this machine?
Yeah, you can use it if you have it done with you.
Yeah, sure. I have it on me. Yeah. Beautiful.
இன்னும் பல வீடியோக்களை காண சன் லைஃப் சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க.